Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll be introduced two methods for searching within strings, index of and last index of. Let's begin with the index of method. Here's the syntax of this method. The index of method returns the index of the first occurrence of the specified character within the string. In other words, this method scans the string from left to right. And as soon as it encounters the specified character, it returns the index of that character as the result. For example, if we want to obtain the index of the character j from this string, we can use the index of method. In this example, the value of the index would be 12. We can also invoke this method by passing a string parameter, as shown in this example. In this case, the method searches within the provided string value to find the word is. Once found, it returns the index of the first letter of that specified string, which is 1. Alright, by including the start index parameter, we can indicate from which position this method should begin its search. For instance, we can find the index of the word is by specifying that the search should start from index 10. In this scenario, the result would be 21. Moving on, the third parameter of the index of method is count, which, like the start index, is also an int parameter. This parameter sets the range of the search. For instance, if we use the index of method with these parameters, the method searches for the word is within a range of characters from index 12 to index 19, which includes 8 characters. In this range, there is no occurrence of the word is, so when the method fails to find the specified character or string, it returns -1 as a result. Alright, another method that we wanna discuss is last index of. Here's the syntax of this method. This method is quite similar to the index of method, with the only difference being that it performs its search from right to left in order to locate the specified string or character. For instance, as previously mentioned, the index of the word is 1. However, if we pass this parameter to the last index of method, we'll obtain the result of 21. This is because the last index of method starts searching from right to left. Now, let's jump into VS Code to explore these methods. Okay, since index of and last index of are instance methods, we need to declare a string variable first. Next, let's use these methods to obtain the index of the lowercase letter I and store the results in an int variable. Now, let's display the resulting index in the terminal and run the application. As you can see, both methods return the result of 3. So, it's evident that these methods are case sensitive. Now, let's consider the scenario where we pass the uppercase letter I. Can you guess what the result would be? Let's run the application once again to find out. As you can see, the index of method returns 0 and the last index of method returns 7. Now, let's pass 10 as the start index and 4 as the count for these methods and run the application once more. As you can see, the index of method returns -1 because there is no uppercase I from index 10 to 13. However, the last index of method searches from index 10 to 7. In this case, it finds an uppercase I at index 7 and returns that as a result. Alright, done. See you soon with another lecture.